Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make strawberry cupcakes. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth baking process. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also, have 1/2 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget about 1 cup of finely diced fresh strawberries. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened 1/2 cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients, alternating with the 1/2 cup of milk, beginning and ending with the dry. Mix until just combined. It's time to add the star ingredient. Gently fold in your 1 cup of finely diced fresh strawberries into the cupcake batter. Be careful not to overmix. Line a muffin tin with cupcake liners and fill each about 2/3 full. This recipe typically yields 12 to 14 delicious cupcakes. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once your cupcakes are completely cooled, it's time for the best part, frosting. You can use a simple strawberry buttercream or your favorite vanilla frosting. Pipe or spread it generously over each cupcake. These homemade strawberry cupcakes are perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your delightful treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.